Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a special bike, a different bike. It's another newer one. It's more of a 24 plate, same as the Gixxer, but this time it's a Ninja. We're not going to be gay, we're actually going to be straight while riding. This guy's tyres are actually good. Look at these tyres. We've actually got tread on them, so they'll be fine. His chain, yet again, is a little bit loose. Everyone's chain's loose, even mine's a little bit loose. I'll tighten it all up for everyone, but yeah, this is 2024 Ninja 125. I think it looks great. The green is quite nice. I'd say it's on par with my bike because it just looks really good. But this guy's actually got L plates and a tail tidy, and he's a good boy. He did have a stock exhaust, but now he's got Scorpion. I did fit it for him. We are not doing any clutch shifting today with this one because this guy does not want me messing up his clutch or his gearbox, which is completely right because this one's gonna get messed up soon if I keep clutches shifting like the way I do. I think the tyre sizes are the same as mine, so we should be quite alright. Might try to get a few overtakes. I don't want to get this guy in trouble because this guy actually has a full clean license, and obviously he doesn't have a flip plate, so yeah. And he's got actual mirrors compared to me and the Gixxer guys. What I'm going to do is get a little cold start for you guys, and yet again this bike also goes into neutral. Boom. This exhaust also burbles a lot, which is very nice. I like that a lot. Today we're going to try and go on a dual carriageway to get top speed. We're also going to let this bike warm up because I want to look after this bike. It's a 24 plate too. And look at the sprocket size. It is a lot bigger. I think that's for more torque. Bigger at the back, small at the front. I can't honestly remember. Wait for the revs to drop because it automatically, with the Ninja, it automatically warms up from, it goes to 3 or 4k and then it drops down to 2, I think, once it's warm. Which I wish my bike did that, but it doesn't. Right, that's enough waffle, I think, because we waffle way too much. Let's get straight on the bike and show you the performance. We'll show you the 0 to 60. We'll show you the top speed. I think it is capped though, the top speed on these Ninjas, just because of how the restrictions are and how new they are. Yeah, and can we just praise this guy? He's proper Kawasaki. Look at this guy. All this and everything. Proper Kawasaki fan. See, this bike, it feels a bit like the Gixxer, but more comfier and less small. Like, it's like a tall version of the Gixxer. And then, yet again, his handlebars go inwards like this, which I actually kind of like him on this one because it's not like he's so low. His shifter is also a little bit small for my big feet. I'm the biggest guy out of all the bikers here, or tallest. Oh my god, we've actually got mirrors we can see out of. It's weird. It's got like a little whine to it. Oh, you hear those burbles? They sound amazing. Oh god, I need to get used to the clutch and stuff. Which way do I go for the Beverly? Let's go right. Sounds a bit like a UFO, I can't lie. Oh, that sounds alright, to be fair. I can't lie, that's quite... Oh man, this exhaust is so much better than my exhaust. Oh, I might need to get a Scorpion, I can't lie. Holy crap, man. And we can actually hit neutral, can't we? Oh my god, it feels so good to hit neutral. Oh, my bike, you have to like let go and pray that you're neutral because it doesn't come up with the neutral light. It's like kind of broken. And how much fuel have we got? Oh, we're full tank. This guy's balling. Already, I love it so much more than Gixxer. Sorry, Gixxer guy, but who I shall not name, who I did not name 100% last video. Anyway, I want to hear those burbles again. Oh mate, this exhaust is sound as hell. Oh, I can actually see out the mirrors. It's like having like eyes on the back of my head. I don't have to like do some crazy gymnastics to actually see what's behind me. We'll go through town, just have a bit of fun. Oh, Aston Martin. Look at that plate too. This is such a comfy bike actually, holy crap. Like, I'm sat up nicely, like, it's not too bad sat up, you know what I'm saying? Why is there a guy in the middle of the road? This guy done 3,001 miles. I thought he said 30,000. I was going to say, how many has he been riding? How many miles has he driven? More than Bonnie Blue. Do you reckon we can wheelie his bike, guys? Nah, okay, we're not going to do this to his bike. Take it very smooth on the shifts. I might just cruise in second gear, to be honest. Oh my god, I'm going to stall today. I've got a feeling I'm going to stall today. Like, his clutch goes out so fast. I have her ground. Ah. We're going to go straight. Alright, we'll get ourselves to the main roads. Oh, like, it's got good acceleration though, I can't lie. Like, it might be the same as mine or better, to be honest. I've always liked Ninja. I've always wanted a Ninja bike. I think the ZX6Rs, the ZX10Rs, And even the ZX4RI is just honestly amazing bikes. I can't wait to full send this bike, but I'm scared to get reported by dashcam. But the thing is, I can always put down it was me riding it and not him, so he won't get in trouble. The tyres are very nice though. They feel very stable on the road. I feel very connected. Bim bam boom, Baba Yaga. Don't know why I like saying Baba Yaga, but right, we are going to wait up a little bit and we're going to do a small pull. We're going to go into first. So let's see how quick we get to like 40, 50 mile an hour. Okay, that wasn't too bad. That was alright to be fair. God, I need to get used to shifting with the shifter. I'm so used to clutch shifting up. Yeah, those berbers are nice. I was making sure I still have my camera on me because I broke a little bit on my camera mount, so like only one side is actually clipped in, and yeah, it's not very trustworthy if I'm being honest. Should probably get a new mount. But yeah, you can tell it's starting to become what is it, autumn or spring? I can't remember if it's autumn or spring. But look at the trees. The trees look amazing. Well, not really. There's like no leaves on them anymore. But they're orange still. Some of them are orange. Oh, I've still got my indicator on. Why have I still got my indicator on? Jesus Christ, this is so hard to turn off. Maybe this is more gay than the Jigsaw. I don't know. But the Jigsaw's black, so it's got... okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not racist, I'm telling you. So much. What are you doing? You're in the wrong fucking lane. I'm so glad I washed my windscreen. I mean, my visor. What gear are we in? Does this bike tell me what gear I'm in? I think I'm in 4th doing 60, so it's not bad. Not as good as my bike, but not as good as the Jigsaw either. Don't think he nodded back, the twat. Oh, the road's got like weird white stuff on it. My bad, guys. There's a golf mummy nearby, that's why. Oh, I don't like these roads. Why are the roads like this? Alright, the guy with the dash cam's overtaking, so we might be alright. We're not going to overtake on the corner there. This bike's slightly too slow. Sorry, mate. Come on, let's get some open road here. Oh, look how many cars there are! Why are we doing 50 though with a 60? Can I ask? Toyota Yaris. Oh, I see an opening. We can do our first overtake. Make my friend proud. Come on, bro. Look at the speed! Oh, now I'm taking the piss out of him. Full truck is so weird on this bike. I can't lie. Come on, we can get more than 70. I think his highest is 75. Oh my god, I can feel it. I can feel the restriction. The bike is electronically slowing it down. Holy crap. I was getting 73 but it kept trying to slow me down. You can feel it pulling against you. I wonder if he knows about that. That's crazy. Come on, Ninja, why have you restricted it? It's a 125, we can't really go much faster anyway, but I want to know if you guys can see that. Every time I went to 73, it would push me down to 71, 72. Even if I was going on the more incline, I could feel it slowing me down. Do you reckon I could filter? Like how bad are we looking? Oh, we're moving. We're going to be good citizens and wait on the red light. Why is it every time I try to make a video of a different, especially a different bike, there's always some hold up like this. It didn't even, oh, you know, bikers today piss me off so much. Like, the UK is so dead, man. You know that bikers, and they just look at you and think, yeah, twat. Alright, let's send it. We should have a lot of room now. Right, we're gonna have another red light. Right, whoa, come on. Ooze. And I gotta stay high all the time. Full tuck, baby. I gotta take it easy because there's bumpy roads here. Don't have been a nice Ninja bike like this. If it was a Jigsaw, I won't mind because it's a Jigsaw. One less get used on the road, but. Like riding all these bikes is very good for like the comparison. Like it gives me an idea. Like this is hopefully this guys give you an idea as well for what bike you want as a first bike. Now personally, because I go for looks, I take the R125 easy any day. I think it just looks the best. If you want speed, Jigsaw. If you want a relaxed, good-looking, comfy bike, then it's definitely this one. Also, obviously, depends on how tall you are. This bike isn't actually a very tall bike, so you guys should be alright if you're like, you know, my 5-foot kings out there. Alright, now we're trying top speed. I think that holdback was actually just the rev limiter. Come on, bro. Come on, bike. We've got this. Yeah! Come on, bro. Are we at max gear? Oh man, this bike only tops out at 73 then. I think he's at 75, but yeah, what it is, it's not like restricting me, it's the limiter. The limiter won't, like once I hit limiter, that's when it starts pushing you back. So technically, yeah, it is the stopping you, it is restricting you a little bit. I don't like that design at all. Good thing I don't have a Ninja, but. Alright, one last pull. Yeah, it's limited. It pushes you back. Heavy as well. It's not like gentle. It actually like it's like fuck you. You ain't going any more faster than this. Either way though, it's a great bike. I've not even got uncomfortable once yet on this. It's a really nice bike. And I don't really clutches. I don't usually clutch shift up. I usually clutch and shift up, so I'm not very used to it in that sense. But yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much the end of our journey today, guys. I can't lie. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Oh, look at those trees. Very beautiful indeed. Would I recommend this bike though? I think I would actually. If you want to be just a cruiser and be comfy, this is the bike. Alright, let's get a nice scenic spot for it. This, guys, is the Ninja 125. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. It's a very nice bike. I think, honestly, it's great performing. It's a 125. You're not really going to expect much faster than a 70-mile-an-hour bike anyway. I mean, you're doing better than all Chinese bikes that I'm aware of. I think Chinese bikes only get like 60, 65, so better than Lex Moto, better than Jigsaw, because Jigsaw's gay. Ninjas are very nice, and the green just needs a clean. Oh, that rhymes with the bean. Sorry, that was gay. American boy.